In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate background on Canva. If you've ever wanted your designs to feel more dynamic without overwhelming the viewer, animating the background is a simple, effective touch. We'll keep this straightforward so you can follow along confidently with a design you already have open in Canva. Start by making sure your background is selected. Click directly on the canvas background, not on any photos, text, or shapes sitting on top. A quick way to confirm you've got the background is to look for a selection highlight that covers the entire page, and notice that the top toolbar references the background rather than a specific element. If you accidentally select a text box or image, just click on an empty part of the canvas to deselect, then click the background again. This first action is important because Canva shows different options depending on what you've selected, and background animations appear only when the background itself is active. With the background selected, head to the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens Canva's animation panel. When you're on the background or the full page, you'll typically see options designed for page-level motion, which affects the space behind your content rather than moving each item individually. The panel is designed to be visual and intuitive, so you can quickly compare styles without guesswork. Now choose the animation you like. Hover over an option to preview how it will look. Canva gives you an instant sense of the motion so you can judge whether it's subtle, energetic, or somewhere in between. When you click an animation, it applies to the background immediately. Some animations may offer simple variations or intensity choices. Feel free to try a few and watch how they influence the mood of your design. As you decide, keep readability in mind. A gentle drift or fade often keeps text crisp and legible, while faster movement can add excitement for title slides or quick social posts. If you were hoping to animate a specific object instead, remember that you'd need to select that element before opening the Animate panel. Background animations apply to the canvas, not individual items. That's the whole process. Click the background, click Animate, and select the animation you want. Canva saves changes automatically, and you can use the built-in preview to see the motion in context with your full design. Aim for consistency across pages, keep contrast strong so text remains easy to read, and choose motion that supports your message rather than distracting from it. Enjoy giving your designs a polished, professional feel with an animated background.